Okay guys, here we have an 18 volt M18 18 gauge narrow crown staple from Milwaukee. There's some of the info. Okay. Power's over here. If you don't know how to turn it on or off, you hold it, hold the button. Alright, just hold it and it turns on. But the mode changes from single to for it to shoot multiple staples. Okay, I just bought this, so I gave it a try. It works good. This is the compartment where this is where you take it in or out, right? And the staples go right here in the middle. There they are. You want to see them? There they are. These are DeWalt staples. This is DeWalt staples. Okay, and I believe these were 18 narrow, 1/4, and they fit, they work. I tried them out, they're good. Okay, so this is the size. They're very big. So you pop them in here, right? So they fit. And then you just close up this area right here. It should be good to go. Okay, and we'll give it a try so you can see on camera later. Okay, so this is my testing site right here. And we can give this a try right here. Right there. Okay, so you can see the staples right there. Let's try it again.